Okay, then thanks a lot, Ron, for your introduction. My name is Kai Hohmann. I'm product manager for displays at Continental and also principal expert in display technology. And it's a pleasure for me to give you a kind of user experience feedback on MicroLED applications. And also, I'm not coming from the technology point of view itself. I'm coming from the USP and from the benefits of the technology for the products. So, my talk mainly is about the considerations of automotive usage. So, which kind of backplane technologies are suitable for which products. And you can here see some pillar-to-pillar displays, for instance, which is a potential application, or some into-visible application, and I will come back to this later in my talk. So let me give you a first introduction on the technology and of course also on the company. So Continental Automotive Technologies is a part of the Continental Group, which you see here. Continental, of course, is famous for tires, for some rubber parts, and for the automotive parts. And my branch, where I'm belonging to, is the business area user experience, and we are taking care for all kinds of displays. So one product is the so-called display solutions, which are the displays in front of you in the car, and which are then driven by, for instance, high-performance computers somewhere in the center of the car. So all kinds of displays in front of you. The second part is digital clusters. It's quite an older product with a graphics controller integrated. So that's an intelligent display which is plugged in the cars and which is doing the application. And then my business area is doing heads-up display, which would be another opportunity. And finally, there's a fourth product type, which is called UX assets. UX assets are some software blocks which we sell into automotive without any hardware behind. So that's it for company introduction. So what is automotive application and user experience about? So we are doing a transformation since years from knobs to discrete displays to real user experience. Yeah, so if every car is electric, you do not have any combustion engine. You need, everybody has an electric car, nice Newton meter, quite nice, and the differentiation in the end, or one of the key differentiations will be the user experience, connectivity, plug in your smartphones, driving, feel comfortable, and the car has to do the job to make it for you as convenient as possible. So, what are then MicroLEDs bringing for value? You see here some comparison of a match and some MicroLEDs, and there are always opportunities and risks. So which kind of opportunities do we see? MicroLED, of course, from technology point of view, is said to be the next big thing. Yeah, it's the technology, maybe it's the revolution. One technology fits all, so it's self-emitting, reliable, efficient, everything flexible, transparent, we love it. Highest brightness, highest efficiency, highest reliability compared to OLED, so the LEDs are solid, they are not so sensitive and very stable. And of course, SEP24 Plus is said to be according to forecast, which we can read in the announcement. So what is the risk here? So which is the right backplane and transfer process? Yeah, we had already two talks, one for cartridge, one for laser, and there are other processes. So which application will be the first? So for automotive, it's the battle of application, and I will come later to this point. Is it direct view displays? Is it projection display? Is it a PHUD? What also the PHUD was what has been introduced by TCL, and I will come to this later. And then the next topic is upscaling of the production capacity. Yeah, we see every MicroLED takes a lot of time to be produced. We need to scale it up to reduce the cost. And for a typical, or not typical, but for a huge automotive display called pillar-to-pillar with 50-inch, 1K resolution, we are talking about 30 million LEDs.